Andal Tiruvadigalé Saranam, 28th day of our Dhanurmasa Utsavam. We are with Neela Devi, Goda Devi, Periyalvar, Kulasekhar Alvar, Nammalvar, Tirumalisai Alvar, Peyalvar, Pudattalvar, Poigai Alvar, Tondaradippudi Alvar, Tiruppani Alvar, Tirumangai Alvar. We are all with, as a Goshti, we are standing in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Today, we are trying to appreciate the opportunity that we got. In front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, we are appreciating how blessed we are. It is all because of Krishna's compassion, Krishna's grace, Bhagavan. Otherwise, even getting this human life itself is a great opportunity. Nothing that we have gained out of our own selection or option. It's all just given by Krishna Paramatma. There are so many billions of souls going through so many different bad bodies. But how blessed we are to be born as human beings. Even in the category of human beings, there are so many people going through so many troubles. They do not have even to eat, and they don't even know what is our dharma, nothing. But how blessed we are to be in this comfortable zone and with all these comforts, and in this Sanatana Dharma. Did we chose to be like this? No. It is all just given by Sakshat Paramatma. And even some people are thinking that they are following Sanatana Dharma, but they do not know exactly what to do. Today, we are in front of Krishna Paramatma, the one who declared himself as the supreme in Bhagavad Gita and surrendered to me alone unconditionally. He is the one who announced to the entire universe. We are in right path. Did we choose to be like this? It's all just Paramatma selected all of us. Out of billions of souls, He selected all of us. How blessed we are. We just take it as granted. No. We have to value it. We have to appreciate this. This is all being done, Krishna. By you, you have done all this. On top of doing all this, now we are in this Sanatana Dharma. But did we learn anything? No, nothing. All that we are doing is getting up, running for earning bread and all these things, and then ending up the day. Like this, we are spending all our days without even valuing, without even thinking what is the purpose of our goal, purpose of our life. But into these kind of people you have born, and you have taken so many avatarams, and now you gave us an opportunity to visualize you in the form of this Vigraham. This is also being done by you. It's not our creation. Being supreme, you came down into a Vigraham and declared that and decided to be in the custody of us. Whatever we do, He accepts because He is in the form of Vigraham. Doesn't mean that He is not supreme. So to that extent, He made Himself available to each and every one of us. So Bhagavan, but we did, without all these days, without realizing this, you are supreme, you are in the form of Vigraham, you gave us this opportunity and you are sitting in front of us. Without realizing all this, without valuing it, all this, without appreciating all this, we might have done so many mistakes. Krishna, can you please forgive us? Can you please pardon us? We might have just said, so many small singular names to you. Arjuna also says in Bhagavad Gita, after Krishna Paramatma shows Viswarupam, Arjuna says, "Whoa, Krishna, I didn't realize that you are such a great and you are supreme. But for all these days, being very close to you, without realizing, without understanding your supremacy, I might have said so many, Hey Krishna, Hey Yadava, Hey Sakheti, Ajanata Mahimanam Tavemam Maya Pramadat Pranayena Vapi." Krishna, I might have said so many small words to you, and singularly I might have addressed with singular name, without respecting you. Please forgive me. Like that Arjuna says. So also we are all asking Krishna Paramatma to forgive us today. We are appreciating this opportunity. We are identifying, recognizing how great Krishna Paramatma and came down and made himself available in Vigraham, so that we can always communicate and spend our time. So this is all being done by Krishna. Today we are understanding and realizing all this. We have not yet releasing or disclosing our boon, what exactly we want from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Today we just recollecting everything, and we are just appreciating Krishna Paramatma's unlimited compassion. With this kind of appreciation to the opportunity that we got, with this kind of appreciation of Paramatma's compassion, let us now sing today's song. Andal Tiruvadigalé Saranam, Karavaigal Pin Senru Kanam Serundumboom Arivondrumillada Vaikkulattu Undannai Piravi Perundanai Punniyum Yamudayom Kuraivondrumillada Govinda Undannodu Uravel Namakku Ingozhikka Vozhiyadu Ariyada Pillaigalom Anbinal Undannai Siruperalaitanavum Siriyarulade Iraivani Tarai Parai Elorembavai. Andal Tiruvadigalé Saranam. Jai Sriman Narayana.